GEP, the Slow English Podcast.
Your journeys start now. Do you feel nervous at the airport? Do you want to speak English at the airport?
It is okay. Many people feel nervous, but today you will learn easy words.
Imagine you are at the airport. You need help. What do you say?
Today we learn all about airports. This is very useful.
Hello, friends. I am Anna. I am here with Jack.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today.
We know English can be scary. Speaking to strangers is hard.
Yes, it can be scary, but we are here to help you. You are safe here.
We learn together. There is no pressure. Take your time.
In this episode, you will learn 5 important airport skills.
First, you will learn about check-in. Second, passport control. Third, boarding.
Fourth, you will learn how to ask for directions. Fifth, how to speak to airport staff.
By the end, you will feel more confident at the airport. You can do this.
So, take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. You are doing great.
We speak very slowly today. Every word is clear. You can follow us.
Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn. Every expert was once a beginner.
This is your safe space. There is no rush. We go step by step together.
We have a secret for you today. Airport English is actually very simple.
Yes, the words are easy. The sentences are short. You will see.
Are you ready to start? Let us begin our airport adventure.
Let us go. Welcome to your airport English lesson. Let us start with check-in. What is check-in, Jack?
Check-in is when you get your boarding pass. You give your ticket to the airline staff.
Yes, check-in is important. You cannot board without a boarding pass.
At check-in, they also weigh your bags. Heavy bags cost more money.
Let us practice some check-in phrases. First phrase, here is my passport.
Here is my passport. This is what you say when you arrive at the counter.
Yes, here is my passport. Repeat after me. Here is my passport.
Here is my passport. Good. You sound great.
What is the next phrase, Jack?
The next phrase is, I would like a window seat, please.
Window seat means you sit by the window. You can see outside.
Say it with me. I would like a window seat, please.
I would like a window seat, please. Very good.
What if you want to sit by the aisle? What do you say then?
Good question. You say, I would like an aisle seat, please.
Aisle seat means you sit by the walkway. It is easier to get up.
So we have window seat and aisle seat. 2 options. Both are useful.
Now let us practice one more. What do you say when you have bags?
You say, here is my luggage, or I have 2 bags to check.
Here is my luggage. This is a very common phrase at check-in.
Great job! You are learning so fast. Check-in is now easy for you. After check-in, what comes next, Jack?
After check-in, you go to passport control. This is where they check your passport.
Yes, passport control is very important. Everyone must go through it.
At passport control, an officer looks at your passport. They check your photo. They check your visa.
The officer may ask you questions. Do not worry, the questions are simple.
What is a common question at passport control?
A common question is, what is the purpose of your visit?
Purpose of your visit means why are you traveling? Are you traveling for work or vacation?
Yes. So you answer, I am here for tourism, or I am here on business.
Let us practice. Say with me, I am here for tourism.
I am here for tourism. Good. Now you sound like a pro.
What is another common question?
Another question is, how long will you stay?
You answer with a number. For example, I will stay for 1 week or 10 days.
I will stay for 1 week. This is simple and clear.
One more question. Do you have anything to declare?
What does declare mean?
Declare means to tell the officer about things you are bringing. Some things need to be declared.
If you have nothing to declare, you say, no, I have nothing to declare.
No, I have nothing to declare. This is a very important phrase.
You are doing amazing. Passport control is no longer scary. After passport control, what happens next?
After passport control, you go to the boarding gate. This is where you wait for your plane.
Yes, the boarding gate is where you get on the plane. Boarding means getting on the plane.
You wait at the gate. Then they make an announcement. They say, boarding now.
Boarding now means it is time to get on the plane. You line up.
What do you show the staff when you board?
You show your boarding pass. You say, here is my boarding pass.
Here is my boarding pass. Repeat after me.
Here is my boarding pass. Perfect.
The staff may also check your passport again. This is normal.
What is seat number? How do you find your seat?
Your seat number is on your boarding pass. For example, 12A or 24C.
The first number is the row. The letter is the seat. Easy.
12A means row 12, seat A. Simple.
When you find your seat, you say, excuse me, this is my seat.
Excuse me, this is my seat. Use this if someone is in your seat.
What if you are not sure? You can ask, is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken means, is someone sitting here? Is this seat free?
Great. You are ready to board now. Well done. What happens if you get lost at the airport? How do you ask for help?
Do not worry. You can always ask for directions. People are happy to help.
The most important phrase is, excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me? This is polite and respectful.
What is another useful phrase?
You can say, where is the bathroom?
Bathroom is where you go to the toilet. Everyone needs the bathroom.
Where is the bathroom? Say it with me.
Where is the bathroom? Great!
What if you need to find your gate?
You ask, where is gate number 10? Or, where is gate B?
Gate numbers are letters and numbers. For example, gate 5 or A12.
Where is gate 5? Simple and clear.
What if you need to find the exit?
You ask, where is the exit?
Exit means the way out. You can leave through the exit.
Where is the exit? This is very useful.
One more phrase. Where is the baggage claim?
What is baggage claim?
Baggage claim is where you get your suitcases after you land.
Yes, after your plane lands, you go to baggage claim to get your bags.
Where is the baggage claim? This is important after landing.
You can now ask for directions. You are so brave. Sometimes you need help from airport staff. What do you say?
Airport staff are people who work at the airport. They wear uniforms. They help passengers.
Yes, you can ask them for help. They are there to assist you.
What is a polite way to start a conversation?
You start with, "Excuse me, I have a question."
Excuse me, I have a question. This is polite and gets their attention.
Let us practice. Say with me, "Excuse me, I have a question."
Excuse me, I have a question. Good.
What if you miss your flight? What do you say?
You say, I missed my flight. Can you help me?
Missed means you did not catch it. You arrived too late.
The staff will help you. They may book you on another flight.
I missed my flight. Can you help me? This is important to know.
What if you lose your passport?
You say, "I lost my passport. Can you help me?"
Lost means you cannot find it. It is gone.
Go to the police or airport staff. They will help you.
What if you need to change your seat?
You ask, "Can I change my seat?" Or, "Is there another seat available?"
Change means to swap. You want a different seat.
Can I change my seat? This is a polite way to ask.
One more important phrase. Where can I get a taxi?
Taxi is a car that takes you somewhere for money.
After you leave the airport, you may need a taxi to go to your hotel.
Where can I get a taxi? This is very useful.
You can now speak to airport staff. You are amazing.
Now we learn key words. These are words you will hear at the airport.
Next is the word check-in. Check-in is when you get your boarding pass.
At check-in, you give your passport. You get your ticket. Check-in. Check-in. Good.
The second word is passport. A passport is a document for travel.
You need a passport to go to another country. Passport. Passport. Well done.
The third word is boarding pass. A boarding pass is your ticket to get on the plane.
Without a boarding pass, you cannot board. Boarding pass. Boarding pass. Great.
The fourth word is gate. A gate is where you wait for your plane.
You go to gate number 5, for example. Gate. Gate. Good.
The fifth word is luggage. Luggage means your bags and suitcases.
You check your luggage. You carry your luggage. 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 Nice.
The sixth word is flight. A flight is a trip on an airplane.
You take a flight to another country. Flight. Flight. Excellent.
The seventh word is delay. Delay means the plane is late.
Sometimes flights are delayed. Delay. Delay. Good job.
The eighth word is cancel. Cancel means the flight will not happen.
If a flight is canceled, you need a new flight. Cancel. Cancel. Well done.
The ninth word is terminal. A terminal is a building at the airport.
You arrive at the terminal. You leave from the terminal. 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 Great.
The 10th word is announcement. An announcement is an important message.
They make an announcement over the speakers. Announcement. Announcement. Perfect. Now it is time for reflection questions. Think about your answers.
Question 1. Do you feel more confident about airports now? Yes or no?
Think about it. You learned so much today.
Question 2. Can you say, "Here is my passport"? Yes or no?
This is a very useful phrase. Practice it every day.
Question 3. Do you know what a boarding pass is? Yes or no?
A boarding pass is your ticket to the plane.
Question 4. At passport control, do you say, "I am here for tourism"? Yes or no?
This is how you answer why you are traveling.
Question 5. Do you know where to ask for directions? Yes or no?
You can ask airport staff. They are happy to help.
Question 6. Can you ask, "Where is the bathroom"? Yes or no?
Everyone needs the bathroom. This is essential.
Question 7. Do you know what to say if you miss your flight? Yes or no?
Say, I missed my flight. Can you help me?
Question 8. Is "excuse me" polite? Yes or no?
Yes, excuse me is always polite and respectful.
Question 9. Can you find your gate at the airport? Yes or no?
Look at your boarding pass. The gate number is there.
Question 10. Will you try to speak English at the airport? Yes or no?
You can do it. Do not be afraid. Practice makes perfect.
Question 11. Do you feel proud of yourself today? Yes or no?
You learned so many new words. You should feel proud.
Question 12. Will you practice these phrases every day? Yes or no?
Practice is the key to success. Keep going.
Question 13. Do you remember what a delay is? Yes or no?
A delay means the plane is late. Do not worry.
Question 14. Can you ask for a window seat? Yes or no?
Say, I would like a window seat, please.
Question 15. Are you ready for your next airport adventure? Yes or no?
You are ready. You are brave. You can do this.
Great job today, English learners. You learned so much.
You learned about check-in, passport control, boarding, directions, and speaking to staff.
These are very important skills. You will use them on your next trip.
Remember to speak slowly. Do not rush. You have time.
Practice every day. Listen to this episode again and again.
The more you practice, the better you become. Every expert was once a beginner.
We are so proud of you. You are doing amazing.
Do not be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
You are brave. You are growing. You are improving every day.
Thank you for learning with us today. You make us happy.
Thank you for your time and effort. You are worth it.
Remember, you can do this. Believe in yourself.
We believe in you. You are capable and wonderful.
See you next time. Keep practicing. Keep growing.
Goodbye, friends. Take care. Have a great day.
Bye-bye. We love you. You are amazing.
Until next time, keep learning. Keep speaking.
Goodbye. See you soon. You are stars.
Bye-bye. Thank you. You are the best.
Your learning journey doesn't stop here. Keep improving your English. Click the next video or explore more episodes we've picked just for you. See you in the next lesson.